So the law is simple, ma'am. It is not whether judge is actually biased, but it is whether the apprehension in the mind of the
Right, understood.
there exists in my mind today a real, grave, and reasonable apprehension that this petition will not receive judicial detachment and neutrality required in a criminal case like this.
Okay.
मैं अब आपके सामने 10 रीजंस रख रहा हूं मैम एक एक करके
हाँ जी।
मेरे को क्यों लगता है कि
Please keep writing.
there is a apprehension.
Yes, please.
Reason number 1. What is reasonable apprehension? I rely on Supreme Court's Kanaklata case. This is page para 67, page 15 of the judgment compilation.
Yes.
In Kanaklata versus State of NCT of Delhi, Honorable Supreme Court held that earlier strong observations may create a reasonable apprehension that the court has so committed itself to a given approach or thought process that it may not be possible to take a fair and non-partisan view, and clarified that the question is not whether the judge is biased, the question is whether the apprehension is reasonable. In this, I would like to draw your attention to strong observations, earlier strong observations, if the judge has made earlier strong observations on similar facts, and second, so committed itself to a given approach or thought process. I would also like to rely on State of West Bengal versus Shivanand Pathak. This is para 24, page 29 of judgment compilation. One of the requirements of natural justice is that the hearing should be done by a judge with an unbiased mind. Para 26 of page 29, we have to deal, as we shall presently see, a new form of bias, namely bias on account of judicial obstinacy. Then para 30 at page 29, these remarks imply a distinction between prejudging of facts, specifically relating to a party, as against preconceptions or predispositions about general questions of law, policy, or discretion. The implication is that though in the former case, a judge would disqualify himself, in the latter case he may not. दो चीजें अलग अलग हैं. फैक्ट्स के केस पे अगर कोई मैटर है और पहले वो जज डील कर चुका है एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग ऑब्जर्वेशंस दे चुका है, the judge shall disqualify himself. But if it is a matter of law, policy, or discretion, and then he may or may not. So in our case, it's a question of facts. इस ऑनेबल कोर्ट के सामने 5 पहले केसेस आ चुके हैं. मेरा केस आया था जिसमें whether my arrest was legal or illegal, that was the matter before this honorable court. संजय सिंह, मनीष सिसोदिया, कविता एंड अमन ढल, इन 4 के केसेस आए थे बेल रिलेटेड मैटर्स. इन 5 केसेस में जो ऑब्जर्वेशंस इस ऑनेबल कोर्ट ने दिए थे, they almost amounted to judgments. I would read out some of the extracts with your kind permission.
Yes, yes.
मेरा केस जो था मैम आपके सामने, my matter related to illegal arrest. The limited matter that the court had to decide was whether investigating officer had reasons to believe. IO had recorded his reasons. The court had to decide whether those reasons were sufficient or not. The court was not required to put their weight behind each of the reasons. The court was also not required to give a final verdict on each of those reasons. But it appears, मैं अभी कुछ extracts पढ़ूंगा, it appears the court gave a final judgment of many of those points. In just 2 hearings, 2 ही hearing हुई थी, 2 hearing में final judgment कर दिया गया. There was no charge sheet before this honorable court, and a final judgment or final conclusion was not even sought by ED. Para 61, page 213 of my recusal application.
Para 61. Recusal application. Not this. Recusal.
1377 or 11377.
Yes.
Para 61. Therefore, it emerges from the records produced before this court that amount of rupees 45 crores, which is allegedly the proceeds of crime in this case.
61, na? Therefore, it emerges from the record produced before the court.
मैं पूरा पढ़ देता हूँ, मैं बीच में थोड़ा सा unnecessary था, तो I just Therefore, it emerges from the records produced before this court, that is the statements of witnesses recorded by Directorate of Enforcement, including Hawala operators as well as survey workers, area managers, assembly managers, etc. engaged by Aam Aadmi Party, corroborated with CDR analysis and material seized during raids. The amount of 45 crores, which is allegedly the proceeds of crime in this case, was utilized by Aam Aadmi Party in the Goa election 24. It was decided and judgment given that this amount was utilized by Aam Aadmi Party in Goa elections. Now we come to para 74, page 219. हम ये काफी लंबा पैरा, इफ यू परमिट मैं इसमें से 2 लाइंस ही ऊपर और नीचे पिकअप करने की इजाजत चाहता हूँ. Thus, this court, having gone through the documents and the statements, reaches a conclusion. The court reached a conclusion. Court ने finally decide कर दिया that once the proceeds of crime which were allegedly received in the form of kickbacks through the South Group were spent on Goa elections, the absence of or non-recovery of such एक मैटर ये उठा था मैम कि इतनी रेड मारी सीबीआई ने, ईडी ने, किसी भी रेड में कोई रिकवरी नहीं हुई, ना कैश की ना प्रॉपर्टी की किसी भी चीज की. So whether that was in our favor or not, this honorable court gave a strong finding on that, final finding on that. The absence of or non-recovery of such proceeds in these circumstances can be of little value. This is a very strong statement, ma'am. Then we come to para 102 at page 235 of the same application. Para 102 of page 235.
235.
This court is further of the opinion that merely because the approver has chosen to reveal some new, ये मैम इशू उठा था because जिस तरह से सीबीआई ने और ईडी ने अप्रूवर्स डील किए थे, एक अप्रूवर को पकड़ते थे, वो कहता था कोई गलत काम नहीं हुआ, मेरे से ना रिश्वत मांगी गई ना रिश्वत दी मैंने.
Multiple statements of approvals.
सॉरी,
Multiple statements of approvals that
मल्टीपल स्टेटमेंट्स हुए और बाद में उसको गिरफ्तार कर लेते थे. फिर उसके साथ बार्गेनिंग होती थी कि तेरे को छोड़ देंगे, तू केजरीवाल का नाम ले दे, संजय सिंह का नाम ले दे, इनका नाम ले दे, और फिर वो नाम ले देता था. इसके ऊपर आपकी फाइंडिंग है, this court is further of the opinion that merely because the approver has chosen to reveal some new facts at a later stage only after initially concealing them, including the role of Shri Kejriwal, the same cannot be a ground to disregard their statements completely. मतलब इस पे भी एक फाइनल फाइंडिंग दे दी गई थी अप्रूवर स्टेटमेंट्स के ऊपर. I was almost declared guilty, ma'am. I was almost declared corrupt. ऐसा लगा जैसे केवल सजा सुनानी बाकी रह गई थी. Sorry?
I don't want to comment on that. That's what you are thinking.
In Kanaklata versus State, मैं फिर से वो 2 लाइनें पढ़ना चाहूंगा. The Honorable Supreme Court held that earlier strong observations may create a reasonable apprehension. These are earlier strong observations of this Honorable Court, that the court has so committed itself to a given approach or thought process. The earlier observations create that kind of reasonable apprehension in the mind.
The Shri Kejriwal also states that this court has given strong and rather conclusive findings while dealing with earlier petition, where is arrested and draws his court's attention to para number so and so of the judgment dated so and so. He states that since this court has given conclusive findings and strong observations, almost declaring him guilty at the stage when only his arrest was challenged, he has reasonable apprehension in his mind that he will not get justice from this court. और इसमें वो वाली जजमेंट है ना, वो जजमेंट को साथ में लिख देंगे. Yes.
Now, trial court के orders इन सभी points पे completely contrary हैं. As I said, trial court ने 3.25 महीने hearings की थी, 40,000 पन्ने. The trial court has concluded no crime took place.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.